Having protected the planet for 68 years, the Nature Conservancy is a global conservation organization whose mission is to protect land and water, tackle climate change, deliver food and water sustainably, as well as build healthy cities. The Nature Conservancy evolved over the last 50 years to move beyond land conservation and now aims to understand the human dimension, recognizing what drives people, and to create the right kinds of incentives for people and businesses alike to do things that are in harmony with nature and the planet and not in conflict with it.
We always have conflicts with the land. There's conflicts on, do we develop it or do we conserve it, and what are the impacts? And when I had hard decisions to make, I went to my favorite proverb. We don't inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children. So if we are borrowing this planet from our children, how proud are we of what it is we're borrowing from them, and in a sense, they are going to be stewards for?
In recognizing that it's not an either-or proposition, either development or nature, either science or humanity, the Nature Conservancy is dedicated to align the interests of both.
When we align the interests of human beings with the interests of the planet, then we win. Humans win and the planet wins as well. That's the key.